Hi friends, welcome to Biology Tutor. Today we are going to discuss 50 questions of Manipur PSC Food Safety Exam. Let us continue the discussion. Next question is 101. Baking powder contains sodium chloride, sodium bicarbonate, sodium benzoate, sodium iodide. Answer is B. Sodium bicarbonate. FSSAI stands for Food Safety and Standards Authority of India, Food Security and Standards Authority of India, Food Safety and Security Authority of India, Food Safety and Standards Agency of India. Answer is Food Safety and Standards Authority of India. A. Next question 103. Which one of the following is not a food preservative? Acetic acid, propionic acid, butyric acid, sorbic acid. Answer is C. Butyric acid. Butyric acid is used in food as flavoring agent. Next question 104. Which out of the following is a non-reducing sugar? Fructose, glucose, mannose, sucrose. Answer is sucrose. Question number 105. In cooking oils, the antioxidant added to prevent rancidity is tocopherol, ascorbic acid, BHT, TBHQ. A confusion is there. BHT and TBHQ both are used as antioxidants in cooking oils, and oxygen scavenging activity are also similar. So we cannot predict the answer. So both of C and D are correct. Next question 106. Most common toxicogenic spoilage in stored groundnuts is Aspergillus flavus, Aspergillus niger, Aspergillus oryzae, Aspergillus albus. Answer is Aspergillus flavus. Next question 107. Sauerkraut is the fermented product of cabbage, turnip, radish, beetroot. Answer is A. Cabbage. Next question is 108. Argemone oil is used to adulterate mustard oil, milk, tea, milk. Mustard oil. A is answer. Argemone oil is obtained from the plant Argemone mexicana. Next question is 109. C. Enamel cans are used for high acidic foods, non-acidic foods, medium acidic foods, fat-rich foods. Answer is B. Non-acidic foods. Lacquering are of two types, acid resistant and sulfur resistant. Sulfur resistant lacquering. It is known as C enamel or SR cans. Certain foods, when heated in plain tin, liberate hydrogen sulfide gas. This reacts with metals and form metallic sulfides. Meat can be stored in SR cans or C enamel cans. Next question is 110. Agmark was promulgated in 1937, 1954, 1935, 2009. Answer is 1937. A. Agmark, Agricultural Marketing. The name was created by Archibald MacDonald Livingstone. Headquarters of Agmark is situated at Faridabad, Haryana. Next question. 111. Cold test of fat is measure of freezing point of oil, viscosity of oil at temperature just above its freezing point, resistance of oil to crystallization, total saturated fat. Answer is C. Resistance of oil to crystallization. Next question 112. For manufacturing of pasta, wheat variety used is soft wheat, hard wheat, durum wheat, white wheat. Answer is C. Durum wheat. Next question is 113. Which of the following is produced with the combination of apoenzyme and coenzyme? A. Holoenzyme, enzyme substrate complex, prosthetic group, enzyme product complex. Answer is A. Holoenzyme. Next question, 114. The enzyme which hydrolyzes starch to maltose. Protease, amylase, lactase, maltase. Answer is B. Amylase. Next question, 115. Enzymes having slightly different molecule structure but performing identical activity are apoenzymes, isoenzymes, holoenzymes, coenzymes. Answer is B. Isoenzymes. Next question, 116. Ribozyme is RNA without phosphate, RNA with sugar, RNA with enzyme activity, RNA with extra phosphate. Answer is C. RNA with enzyme activity. Next question, 117. Human insulin is being commercially produced from a transgenic species of Escherichia, Saccharomyces, Rhizobium, Mycobacterium. Answer is A. Escherichia. Next question, 118. Example of a typical homopolysaccharide is lignin, suberin, insulin, starch. Answer is starch. D. Next question, 119. Which of the following is not a conjugated protein? Answer A. Peptone, phosphoprotein, lipoprotein, chromoprotein. Answer is A. Peptone. Next question, 120. The repeating unit of glycogen is fructose, mannose, glucose, galactose. Answer is C. Glucose. Next question in 121. The catalytic efficiency of two different enzymes can be compared by the molecular size of the enzyme, the pH optimum value, the Km value, formation of the product. Answer is C. The Km value. Km is known as Michaelis-Menten constant. It is the affinity of an enzyme for a substrate. Next question, 122. High value of BOD shows water is normal, water is highly polluted, water is less polluted, none of these. Answer is B. Water is highly polluted. Next question is 123. Which of the following is fermentation process? Batch process, continuous process, both A and B, none of these. Answer is C. Both A and B. 124. Who showed that Saccharomyces cerevisiae causes fermentation, forming products such as beer and buttermilk? Louis Pasteur, Alexander Fleming, Selman Waksman, Schatz. Answer is A. Louis Pasteur. Next question is 125. A bioreactor is hybridoma, culture containing radioactive isotopes, culture for synthesis of new chemicals, fermentation tank. Answer is D. Fermentation tank. Next question is 126. Humulin is carbohydrate, protein, fat, antibiotics. Answer is B. Protein. Next question, 127. Enzyme immobilization is conversion of an active enzyme into inactive form, providing enzyme with protective covering, changing a soluble enzyme into insoluble state, changing pH so that enzyme is not able to carry out its function. Answer is B. Providing enzyme with protective covering. Next question, 128. Vinegar is obtained from molasses with the help of rhizopus, acetobacter, yeast, both B and C. Answer is D, both B and C. 129. Which of the following statements is incorrect regarding gram-negative bacteria? Cell wall has a thin peptidoglycan layer. Cell wall lipid content is very low. Lipopolysaccharide layer is present. All of these. Answer is B. Cell wall lipid content is very low. Next question. 130. Common food poisoning microbes are Clostridium and Salmonella, Clostridium and E. coli, E. coli and Salmonella, Clostridium and Streptococcus. Answer is C. E. coli and Salmonella. Next question. 131. Clostridium perfringens poisoning is associated with meat products, vegetables, canned foods, fish products. Answer is A. Meat products. 132. Salmonellosis involves an enterotoxin, an exotoxin, an enterotoxin and cytotoxin, an exotoxin and cytotoxin, a cytotoxin only. Answer is B. An enterotoxin and cytotoxin. Next question 133. The lipid with the lowest energy value for human nutrition is cardiolipin, olestra, margarine, olive oil. Answer is B. Olestra. Olestra is a polyester derived from sucrose. It is a calorie-free substitute for fat. Next question 134. One serving of cheddar cheese 28 gram provides dash percentage of the RDA of calcium. 10, 50, 75, 20. Answer is D. 20. Which of the following is a class 2 product? Frozen dessert, butter, fluid milk, cheese. Answer is A. Frozen dessert. Next question is 136. Class 4 milk includes milk used to produce hard cheese and cream cheese, fluid milk, fluid cream and cottage cheese, butter and any product in dried form. Answer is D. Butter and any product in dried form. Next question 137. A food must contain less than dash grams of fat per serving to be considered a low fat food. 8, 6, 3, 7. Answer is C. 3. Next question 138. Dash is a protein in milk that contains all the essential amino acids. Casein, gluten, A and B, D, whey protein. Answer is D, whey protein. Whey protein is used to build muscles. 139. Dash is a defect in milk that is described as tasting peppery. Bitter, flat, oxidized, salty. Answer is C, oxidized. Next question 140. Dash is the general name for a class of bacteria that causes mastitis in dairy cattle. Lactobacillus, E. coli, Staphylococcus, Lactococcus. Answer is C, Staphylococcus. Next question 141. Most UHT pasteurized milk has a shelf life of dash days 10, 120, 180, 50. Answer is C, 180. Next question 142. During malting, barley and other grains are broken down by heating to 95 degrees Celsius, lagering, amylases, D. Yeast. Answer is C. Amylases. Next question, 143. Milk fermentation to produce cheese is done initially by inoculating with Saccharomyces cerevisiae, Streptococcus lactis and Lactobacillus species, Acetobacter and Gluconobacter, Lactobacillus bulgaricus and Streptococcus thermophilus. Answer is D. Lactobacillus bulgaricus and Streptococcus thermophilus. Next question, 144. Nitrates maintain the red color of preserved meats and are among the most widely used preservatives. Inhibit germination of botulism spores. Maintain a high osmotic pressure to kill microorganisms. Prevent mold. Answer is B. Inhibit germination of botulism spores. Next question. Salting as a preservative retards growth of Staphylococcus aureus, plasmolyzes bacteria and fungi. It is used to prevent growth of halophiles. All of the above. Answer is B. Plasmolyzes bacteria and fungi. Next question, 146. In batch fermentation, substrates are added to the system all at once and runs until product is harvested. Nutrients are continuously fed into the reactor and the product is siphoned off during the run. New batches of microorganisms are screened for increased yield. Small scale production is used to synthesize product. Answer is A. Substrates are added to the system all at once and runs until product is harvested. Next question is 147. The technique first described to determine the incipient spoilage in meat was homogeneous extract volume, agar plate count, extract release volume, none of the above. Answer is C. Extract release volume. Next question is 148. Which of the following is responsible for a musty or earthy flavor? Actinomyces, Flavobacterium, both A and B, Pseudomonas cincinnati. Answer is A. Actinomyces. Next question is 149. Molds causing spoilage of eggs include species of Cladosporium, Mucor, Thamnidium, all of these. Answer D. All of these. The last question of this question paper, 150. Vacuum packaged meats are spoiled by Bacillus thermofacta, Lactobacilli, both A and B, none of these. Answer is C, both A and B. Online mock test will be conducted after each module. If you like this channel, please share and subscribe. Don't forget to click the bell button too. Thank you.